Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a quick overview of the Sellvia dropshipping platform. So I'm going to show you what to expect when you gain access to Sellvia. So I recently got a store with Sellvia, so I'm going to use that opportunity to give you a walkthrough of what you can expect with this dropshipping platform, if it's going to be worth it or if it's going to be a no-no for your money. Alright, so if it is something you like to do, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end, and if it's your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about this video, drop them in the comment section, and most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so basically Sellvia is more like a done for you dropshipping website that give you access to a done for you dropshipping business that you can kickstart right away. So this is what the whole company's idea is all about. So basically they have three main products, which is the Sellvia dropshipping plugin and the Sellvia Pro and the iTicket store. So this Sellvia give you access to a plugin in case you have a dropshipping website yourself, so you can just install the plugin and it's going to integrate your website to their supplier based website. So you could import product from the Sellvia dropshipping supplier base to your own dropshipping website, and whenever you start making sale, you'll be able to fulfill this order on your behalf. Alright, so for the Sellvia Pro, so this is going to give you access to a turnkey e-commerce business. Alright, so this is the one I got. So you're going to gain access to a done for you dropshipping website with product included that you can start selling right away. So the third one is the iTicket store. So this is going to give you access to the iTicket store that comes with iTicket products that you can sell to make iTicket profit. So this is basically what the store is all about. And for the sale, they have their Sellvia products, iTicket products, and proven bestseller. Alright, so if you scroll down, you can see what the platform is all about. So when you click on start for free here, it's going to redirect you to their Sellvia Pro, which is a done for you turnkey dropshipping business, which is the one I get. So basically what they are saying is you can gain access to this dropshipping website for free, and you can start promoting the product on the website today and start making sales. Alright, so after that they're going to give you access to the done for you dropshipping store for just 14 days. So after the 14 days, you're going to be paying $39 every month to keep using the done for you dropshipping website. Alright, so to get access, all you have to do is just come over here, then click on get all for free. So like I said, you're going to get access to the turnkey e-commerce store, which is going to cost you $0 for now, and the hosting is also going to cost you $0 for now. Then the Sellvia Pro subscription, which is going to cost you $39 after 14 days. So for now it's going to be free, and the Amazon business package is also going to be $0 now. So what you're going to be getting access to is a done for you dropshipping website with the Amazon business package, the Sellvia Pro subscription, the hosting, and all of them is going to be free for now, and after 14 days you're going to be paying $39 every month to keep using the website. So if you want to make payment, all you have to do is enter your card details here and make your payment, and you gain access to this store. Alright, so this is the store I recently got from them. Alright, so this is the done for you dropshipping website I got from Sellvia. So the name of the domain is galleryultimatebuys.shop. Alright, so looking at the store, as you can see, the store is beautifully created. Alright, so this is the shop. Alright, so these are the categories I have on the website, and this is the contact, this is the blog. Alright, so inside this dropshipping website, the one I just got, I have cars accessory, I have fashion accessory, I have gadgets, health and beauty, home supplies, and key. So this is more like a generic dropshipping store. Alright, so instead of the niche dropshipping store. So the good thing is, if you try to sell the product and the product is no longer performing well, you could just slap your ads with another product and start selling, because it's more of a generic dropshipping business. Alright, so if you go down, you can see some of the bestseller products here. Alright, and if you scroll down, you can see some of the new deals and the new arrival. So this is for the blog as well, and these are all of the website. So as you can see, the website is beautifully created. So if I'm to say one thing about the website is awesome. So this is the website. So now let's go into my dashboard, and let me show you how the back end looks like. So this is my dashboard. So if you want to view your store, you can just click on the domain from the dashboard, as it's going to redirect you to their website. So this is basically all of the things you're going to gain access to. So this is the home of the dashboard, as you can see. So whenever you start having orders, all you have to do is just click on orders here. When you click on orders, you're going to see your orders right here. So as you can see, it says no orders yet. So the next thing we have here is report. So when you click on report, you're going to see the report of your store. You scroll down, you're going to see how much you are making, the sales you're making today. So when you click on this drop down here, it's going to bring out the last 7 days, last 28 days, this month, last 3 months. So this is basically how you can track how well your store is performing. All right, so you could also see the unique visitor, total orders, average order value, and conversion rate. So looking at the services here, so this is more like an upsell, you know, for you to buy digital service to promote your dropshipping website. So they have search engine optimization, they have social media marketing, they have SEO, they have backlinks package, you know, press release writing and distribution, and the likes. All right, so they also have so when you click on the insight here, you can see best seller insight, new hits of the week, sales success strategy, and the like. So the actual store you're going to get is going to come with a product itself, and the total product it comes with is 83 products. So this is the amount of product that comes with my dropshipping website that I got with Sellvia. All right, so if you want to add more products, all you have to do is just come over here. You'll be able to add more product package to your dropshipping website. So when you come over to marketing here, you're going to gain access to their marketing package. So they have social media, FB, IG, and TikTok ads, TikTok and Instagram, TikTok and Insta store, email marketing, YouTube marketing, Google SEO backlinks, and the likes. All right, so if you click on this, let's see what it's all about. So this is more like a boosting ad to promote your store. So it says grab top performing ads, all top social media platform, the most effective targeting settings, best converting visuals, captivating ad copy. All right, so this is going to cost you $99, which is a one-time fee. All right, so they have TikTok and Insta store as well. All right, so if you scroll down here, we have learn here. So this is basically, you know, just, you know, a platform for you to, you know more about the platform and know more about dropshipping. So they have courses and they have guide. So your online store, so this is your domain, your team, logo, brands, blogs, and the like. So this is support, and this is your account. So this is basically what you're going to be getting access to when you get the turnkey dropshipping website from Sellvia. So it comes with a done for you product that you can start selling right now. So all you have to do is just make sure you add your own payment gateway to the store. Once you had your own payment gateway to the store, the next thing you have to do is to start promoting the store. Other than this, I think it's okay. And when you start having sale, I think you should also know that they're going to deliver your product within 3 to 5 business deals. And when you start having sales, I think for them to process the order is between 1 to 3 business days. All right, so this is basically everything you need to know about the Sellvia dropshipping platform. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.